Navigating the world of cryptocurrency can feel like learning a new language. You hear terms like blockchain, self-custody, and DeFi, and it's easy to get lost. We're here to help you get started on that journey. Today, we're talking about the Bitwala educational platform. Bitwala is a mobile banking solution that blends traditional finance with modern crypto. They offer a unified platform where you can manage both your euros and your crypto, like Bitcoin and Ether, all in one place. And a core part of their mission is to make this world accessible to everyone. That's where their educational resources come in. Bitwala provides a range of materials designed to empower you with the knowledge you need to feel confident in the crypto space. They've built an extensive library of articles, guides, and explainers. Whether you're a complete beginner trying to understand what Bitcoin is, or you're looking for more advanced insights on market trends, their platform is a valuable resource. Their focus is on demystifying complex topics. They break down everything from the basics of blockchain technology and why it's so important, to practical guides on how to buy and sell crypto securely within their app. It's about more than just telling you what to do, it's about explaining the why behind it. Bitwala's goal is to not only provide you with the tools to manage your finances but also the knowledge to make informed decisions. It's about giving you control and independence. They position themselves as a guide on your financial journey, helping you understand the technology that's reshaping the future of money.